I've had this shark vacuum for a couple days now. I haven't mapped it out to my house yet. I highly recommend that you map it out first before you use it. If you hit the clean button on here, it basically will just leave the dock and it'll move around and it'll start cleaning. It has a little brush underneath here, and then it also has on the side here, it's another brush that kind of pulls everything in. And as you can tell, it's not super loud. It's just gonna go around, it's gonna bump into things, and then it'll turn itself around. It knows where its dock's at, so once it's done, it's gonna go back to its dock and dock itself to charge it back up. Even though there's rugs in here, it's still able to get up over the rugs. If it hits a chair or hits a wall, it'll just turn around. It can work on hard surfaces, and it can also work on carpet. And there are times where it'll see like shoes or something like that, and it'll hit it and it'll just kind of push them a little bit, but then it'll eventually turn itself around. One nice thing too is if you need to grab it and pick it up, like let's say you don't want it running right now, you can grab it and pick it up and it'll just turn green and it'll shut off. And then when you put it back down, it's just going to stay green. And you could either tell it to clean or you can tell it to go back to the dock. So let's go ahead and tell it to go back to the dock. It'll get lined up here, then it'll slowly back into itself. And then it's docked. Once you have it docked, if you want to empty it, on the back here, there's this little piece right here. You just push down on that and pull it out. And then this houses your filter, and then it also houses all the dirt. So you basically just pinch here and then lift up, and then it just picked all that up just in that short span of time. There is a filter here that you'll want to clean out over time, but then once you're done, once you empty it out, you just close it back up, and then you just slide it right back in, and then you could put it back on the dock. Or you can just put it down and hit the dock button and it'll automatically dock itself.